Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about on how you can fix your inaccessible boot device error on Windows 11. Now there are a few reasons this could happen. One of the reasons being your when you were doing an update there was a driver failure, or the boot was inaccessible boot device was created after the Windows 11 clone something. And sometimes it's also possible if there was a BIOS update which wasn't successful. And lastly, the other reason is if your Windows 11 SSD is missing. So yeah, so how do you fix it? First and foremost, you'll have to enter the advanced recovery mode. Now, in order to enter advanced recovery mode, you won't be able to do it from here, because this is just normal. You'll have to press on advanced startup. Now if I press this, my PC is gonna go into restart mode, which I'm not gonna do right now. Or the other thing you can do is once your PC is booting up, keep pressing your F11 key, and that's gonna take you to the screen which is gonna be blue in color, and that's gonna be advanced recovery mode. So, and from there all you gotta do is go to advanced recovery. Then you just wanna troubleshoot your PC and basically start up with and then you want to start up with debugging enabled as well as in safe mode, so that you can realize which file is causing the problem, whatnot, and with that. And then you can also start a file scan. So in order to start a file scan, you'll have to go to run, do CMD, and once you have your CMD enabled, you kind of want to turn this on administration. So you just want to press on control prompt and then press on run as administration. Once you do that, after this, you want to put in this exact code that I'm going to put on the screen right now. I'm going to give you guys a second to copy paste this. And after you put in this code, then you just want to, I'm not going to put in that code right now because I don't need to. And then after that code, you just want to put in this code, and that's about it. This should verify if there is a problem and what file is causing the problem and whatnot. The other thing is you can run a disk scan, but yeah, I would say the best option is just go to advanced recovery mode, enter safe mode, and then from there find out what's causing the problem, reset that specific software, and that should be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.